What's up, guys? Truckin Biker. So, I did this on Instagram the other night, and everybody's like, dude, you gotta do a YouTube video and make like a challenge out of it. And I'm like, I don't know what the hell to call that. Like, to prove you want to become a diabetic alcoholic? I like it. I saw it on TikTok. It's not my thing, but we'll roll the intro and then I'll get into this, what I think is a good concoction. But apparently Knuckles TV thinks it's disgusting. So, we'll get to it. Okay, so we start with shitty light beer. Do like 3/4 of a glass of shitty light beer. I think Knuckles' problem was he did more of a half and half. Because I think whenever I talked to him, I was a little 3 sheets to the wind. And I was like, yeah, you 1 and 1. So, I don't know. And the other half with the rest of it with Mountain Dew. I think it's delicious. It makes like a really, I don't know, pungent kind of shandy. It's delicious to me. I love it. To me, it's like dangerously good. I drink way too many of these. I don't really like Mountain Dew to start with. Did when I was a teenager. I think we all did. But yeah, you guys make a video. Tag me in it. Hashtag Truckin Biker Challenge. I don't know. Just tag Truckin Biker. Hashtag Truckin Biker in the tags of your video. I'll go back and watch it. I'd love to see your reactions to this. I'd love to see how many of you guys are as big of alcoholics as I am to give this shit a try. We'll call that my video for the week. Nothing motorcycles except for the still bleeding Goldwing sitting behind me. I don't know how it has any oil left, but it's still leaking. So, as always, guys, please like, share, subscribe, whatever. Please share this one. I would love to see as many of these videos as I could, because I think it's good, but I'd love to see how many people fucking hate me behind this. I got a neighbor standing over here, and he's like shaking his head. But you guys have a good one. Ride safe. Keep on trucking.